Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to create the project directory and the files we will use for this project. There are a couple of ways you could create files and directory. You could do that using the terminal if you're on a Mac, or you could do that using the command prompt if you're on a Windows. You can also do it manually. In this example, I am going to be creating the directory and files manually. So I'm on the Windows. So to create a folder, all I need to do is right click on my desktop and go new and click on folder and just call it, say, quiz. Okay. And that's my directory. If you're on a Mac and you want to use the terminal to do that, just type in mkdir space and then the name of the directory. And to create folders on a Mac, you use the touch command. If you are on a Windows, you could do mkdir space the directory name. If you want to create a folder in a file in command line via Windows, you type in type space null NUL and then a right angle bracket followed by the name of the file. In this example, we'll be doing things manually. So now that I've created this directory, I'm going to open it up in my text editor and then create the files from there. So I have opened up the project in my text editor. I am using Sublime Text, which you can download for free to try and then pay later if you are happy with it. So to browse to my folder, all I had to do was go file, open folder, and then browse to the location of the folder and pick the folder up. So this is the directory. So to create a file, all I have to do is right click and go new file. I'll just call this index so that I know what it is, and do a file save. So I do save all and it gives me a location. The location is a directory. I just say index.html. So that would be the name of the file. I'll do the same, create a couple more. This will be my CSS file. So I'll call it save all. I just call it my style.css. I'll do the same for the JavaScript file. Right click, new file. I'll call it JS file and save all. And do my script.js. So that's it. So we've got my three files created and the directory for our project. So if I open up the directory on my desktop, you should see all three files. So this is the directory. That's my index, my JavaScript, and my CSS. So during the project, we'll be writing code for each of these files. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.